So, the correct statement is high insolation and strong convection currents occur over the equator. Which of the following cities is not correctly matched? Cannes, Italy. Match the list. So, British Columbia, Canada, Bavaria, Germany, Gibraltar, UK, Shore Rhode Island is in USA. Benin, Dahomey, Belize, British Honduras, Botswana, Bechuanaland, Malawi, Nyasaland. The contour lines show the same height from the sea level. The largest reserve of mica is in India. The largest continent is Asia. Which country has the largest petroleum reserves in the world? Venezuela. Wheat cultivation is confined to humid areas. India is self-sufficient in all minerals except zinc. Consider the following statements and of best quality iron ore is hematite. Sledges are the mode of transport in glaciated region. The cheapest means of transport among the following is shipping. Consider the following statements and correct statement is so cultivation of rubber found in Malaysia, Indonesia and Sri Lanka. Japan is a country important for exporting of automobile. Prevailing climate in Central Asia is desert. What is a hurricane? Cyclone of Gulf of Mexico. Where do you find Murray-Darling Basin? In Australia. Evergreen forests are natural vegetation of equatorial region. Drip irrigation is prevalent in areas of less rainfall. The biggest continent is Asia. The conventional type of rainfall occurs mostly in East India. Characteristic of pedalfur soil is fertile soil of humid region. The cultivation of oilseeds is more in South Asian countries. The important aluminium producing countries are Jamaica and Suriname.